2015 Ford Fusion hybrid. Hood won't release. You gotta go through the grill and that cable right there, move it to the right through this hole right here. Put a screwdriver. Don't poke anything else. You can see my screwdriver there. You just gotta get, you can't see it from the other side, but you gotta see the cable, you gotta get to the end of it, and you have to move it like that, and then the hood released through that second spot, and you gotta push that damn rubber that's right there out of your way while you're doing that. You need a flashlight and a long screwdriver. I had to take off this panel, that panel, pull up on that, get that one off. Then these two carpet clips. And these clear pliers I got at the car show seem pretty decent. The handle I just replaced last week from Ford. Handle on the mount. It was broken in there, and then I saw the bad cable. To get this piece out, pull cable out, you gotta lift up after you take that 10mm bolt out. All right, cut the clip off. You know where I can't find it now, but this clip right here, and then go through, pull it through the hole up there. Put some lube on it so I can pull it through. You can figure out the cable part. Locks in there. It's got to go behind this wire clip right here. Alright, found this little spring out. And that's where it goes. And now it'll hold the latch down when you release it. Come on, I can't even get it to release now. Stop it. Gee, man, that's smarts. Yeah, it's a fun one. That goes on there. Gotta line up all those lines. And then the other nut goes there. Alright, it's got two codes. They're just repeating each other. And there is no gas cap, so how can it be off anyways? You know, bullshit.